Hi, my name is Carly, this is Cam, we're hooked 4x4. We raced the purple number 11 Suzuki in the Ultra 4 Limited class at Ultra 4 Australia.
It basically took us a year and a half to build, pretty much ground up. It runs a little 1.6 turbo
Suzuki Baleno motor.
Yeah, and we've managed to get some horsepower out of it and push us 40s and we go out and have fun and
do our best.
Yeah.
I started in Winch Challenge and then started coming to more Ultra 4 races and really enjoyed spectating, and then decided I wanted to build my own car and start racing it for myself, and that's how I kind of started.
Floodgates and sky, what you say?
It's that aspect of going fast, we've been able to go over rude rocks and just have a ball.
Yeah, it has all sorts. It has the rocks, it has the fast sections, it has everything. It was chassis up build, like we started fresh. I bought the diffs, the suspension, the cab as a package from a second-hand racer, and then bought the motor, auto, made the twin transfer, so it's LT230 to Vitara. We put it all together, put a cage together and built it up from there. It's unique to us, and
it's unique in general.
Yeah.
When Carly bought the engine, it had a turbo package and the ECU with it. And then basically we ran that and the turbo just wouldn't spool up because it's such a small motor and everything. So then spoke to Whitey, and
Whitey's wiring.
Sam and Nathan recommended that turbo and some bigger injectors, and I said it can go ED5 because the fuel system could take it.
Yeah, the only thing we'd really want to change is that rear geometry. The rear diff just wants to drive under itself and it can get ugly on anything steep. So.
Unless you can build a lot of it yourself, I'd probably look into buying a second-hand car and then gradually sort of making it into what you want. You don't have to have the best of the best. Just come out, give it a go and have fun.
Yeah. We're hooked 4x4 on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.